Hello and welcome back, and that's right, we're continuing our coverage of IFA 2024 here in Berlin, and well, here's UGreen, and fresh out the gate of earlier in 2024 showing off their new NAS system that some users have only just got their hands on. They're already working on the next follow-up. They are definitely a brand that's trying to expand into the world of network attached storage. Now, this is their new AI-focused system. They're talking about this not hitting the market until Q1 2025, so it's still very much early doors. And this is a couple of 6-based systems, the IDX6011 and 6012. They're not prepared to disclose the CPU at this time, as it may be subject to change, but the ultimate objective with this is for in-system AI. So unlike a lot of systems that may be integrating third-party LLMs, utilizing existing API in the internet, your ChatGPTs, your Gemini, where they're trying to go with this is integrating in-system AI and not having the internet taking care of it. Now, obviously, some of the early stuff that we talked about with AI in NAS for the last few years has been fairly pedestrian. We've been talking about AI photo recognition, but they're talking about long-form LLM use of AI. So with that, what it means is asking the system for information and retrieval of data on databases, files, that sort of thing. Now, it's very early doors. They weren't able to show me any examples of it at this time. They're still saying development is still very much ongoing on a code level, but it is real. These systems are utilizing a scaled up hardware and memory compared with the other systems in the NAS Sync series. This system arrives with both Thunderbolt connectivity and 10 GBE, so definitely they are basing it on an Intel architecture, I believe. At the moment, they are not really prepared to disclose too much about the software. Of course, the big question is going to be security. Because let's face it, any system that utilizes AI and your data, 5 out of 10 people watching this are just not going to be happy. And when I asked them about security on the device, they are talking about encryption. They are talking about aiming for an LLM in system that doesn't have internet access. In other words, accessing the benefits of an AI tool without internet connectivity. Alongside the roadmap for the software UGOS on the other systems, integrating two-factor authentication, MFA, that kind of stuff, and increasing security in system. Again, these are all roadmap features, so I'm not really one to comment. I will say right now, when I asked them about availability and launch and whether this was going to be another system taken to Kickstarter, they weren't prepared to disclose or at least engage that it was going to go straight to retail or if it's going to go onto crowdfunding. The same goes availability outside of Germany and the US, not really much more to go on. As we can say, it is still a system of very early development. Now, if you are attending IFA, they stand here, I believe, on 3.2. You'll find out more about it here. Again, we're going to do a lot more digging into this system on the article linked below, so I recommend you check that out. But apart from that, let's see you on the next video.